In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Shopify so you can get paid smoothly using Shopify Payouts. Whether you're just starting your online store, setting up payments for the first time, or you simply want to make sure your earnings land safely and on time in your bank account, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Getting paid is one of the most important parts of running an online business, so if you want peace of mind and a smooth payment flow, you're definitely in the right place. Let's get started and make sure your setup is done correctly. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and head to the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because this section controls many important parts of your store, including payments, billing, and payouts. Taking your time here helps avoid mistakes later. Next, click on Payments. You'll see several options related to how your store processes money from customers. This is where Shopify allows you to manage payment providers, payout methods, and transaction settings. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Shopify keeps everything well organized and user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical or overwhelming to worry about. Just move step by step and review each option as you go. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have your bank account details ready in advance, including your bank name, account holder name, account number, and routing number. Also, ensure the bank account is active and can receive deposits. Doing this beforehand can save you time, prevent setup errors, and help avoid delays in receiving your payouts later. Once you're inside the Payment section, scroll down to find the Manual Payment Methods area. From here, select Bank Deposit from the drop-down menu. This option allows customers to transfer money directly from their bank to yours, depending on how you want to accept payments. After selecting it, carefully fill out your bank details in the fields provided. You can also add specific payment instructions for your customers, such as reference numbers or confirmation steps if needed. This extra clarity helps keep transactions smooth for both you and your buyers. After entering all the required information, click Save to complete the setup. Once that's done, Shopify will use these details to send your payouts directly to your linked bank account without interruptions. It's also a very good idea to double-check all the information you entered before moving on. Even a small typo can cause payment delays, so taking a few extra seconds here can save you a lot of hassle later. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to link your bank account to Shopify and start receiving payouts easily and efficiently. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If this video helped you get paid faster or cleared up any confusion, feel free to share it with others who might be setting up their Shopify store too. Why not make someone's day a little easier? Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.